There we go. We got a funnel cloud right in front, right on Highway 70. Spinning right there, right by that tree. Nice funnel cloud, nice funnel cloud. Right there, coming down from the sky. Spinning on. There we go, watch that. It's a funnel cloud right in front of us. Right on Highway 70, right outside of Oroville, California. Yeah, that's a pretty nice spinning funnel right there. We are about right by the Oroville turnoff, getting ready to turn right by the Quincy area here, or not Quincy, right before the Quincy turnoff. Look at that funnel cloud. Look at that. Sitting there spinning. Got a big rotation. Just sitting here, right on Highway 70. There's the mile marker for the 149 turnoff. Look at that funnel cloud, baby. Look at that. See if we're going to get up on it a little bit more. Get back up on Highway 70. Right, getting close to the Butte College exit up here. There's 191. Sitting here just watching this funnel cloud. Look at that thing spin. Look at that. Look at it. Ooh, lightning sitting here. Right in front of this funnel cloud. Right on it, too. Right on it. Look at that funnel cloud. It's sitting here spinning. Man, is that thing spinning. We're on it though. We're going to keep it coming. We're right here. We're going to get off on 70 right here. We're going to keep on Highway 70. This thing's heading right for Berry Creek. Also coming up on, this Berry Creek exit, right also right by Highway 191, going to Paradise, Butte County, funnel cloud, spinning, sitting here spinning, right here. We're going to be right here. We're going to see if this thing drops. It's looking like it's going to drop. Oh yeah, that thing looking nice. Look at that. Look at that thing spin. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's getting closer to the ground. It's getting closer to the ground, baby. Butte County. Oh, look at that. We got debris. We got debris on the ground. We got debris flying. Yeah, we do. We got debris. We're gonna. It's touching ground. Not on the ground yet, but we do have debris flying off the ground here. All right, off Highway 70, right, getting close. Look at that. We're gonna sit here and touch this. Yeah, but yeah, come on. We have debris flying. I don't know if you can see it. I can see it. We definitely have debris. Definitely have debris flying off the ground here. Right, nice tornado. It's not fully touching the ground yet. But it's spinning. It is spinning. Looks like it's going to try to rope out. But it's definitely spinning here. Nice little tornado. So far it's been nothing but a funnel. There's lightning right there in the distance. It did touch the ground for a second. Yeah, it's roping out bad. Really roping out. You can see right where that funnel is though. It did touch the ground. We had debris. We had debris right flying right on here. Not too bad. And it's gone. You can still see a little bit of swirl there, right where that funnel cloud came down. It's got lightning. Yeah, that, just as quick as it was there, it's gone. Butte County, right at 191 turnoff on Highway 70. Had debris flying off the ground. Got all these cars sitting over here. Look at it. Look behind me. Got guys over here. You had everyone just sitting here looking for at this thing.